In this video, I'll go over how to withdraw money from your Crypto.com card. So the Crypto.com Visa card is a prepaid card, which means once you add money to its balance, then it goes to Visa themselves and you cannot withdraw it directly back into your Crypto.com balance, but there's a few other things that you can do. For example, you can see I have 10 euros here. Now the first thing that is most obvious is to just use it for a payment that you would usually buy using your bank account. But if you actually want to have the money in cash, then there are also a few things you can do. First, you can choose to send the money to a friend, so you can click more and then click on send. And from there, they will request access to your contacts. Then just select the contact you want to send to and then send it to them via PayPal. And then they can send it to your PayPal or withdraw it to their bank and then send it to your bank. Now the other thing you can do, which is maybe even easier, to withdraw via an ATM. So just go to an ATM and use the card in order to withdraw the money that is on there, which in my case would be 10 euros. So that's a few different ways that you can withdraw money from your Crypto.com card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.